For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling to hear your favorite podcasts while exercising, traveling, or just going about your day? Do you find yourself constantly adjusting earbuds only for them to slip out of place and distort the sound? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Shokz OpenDots One, a revolutionary wireless earbud that promises unparalleled comfort, crystal clear audio, and effortless connectivity. Therefore, let's dive into what makes these earbuds truly stand out from the crowd. Shokz has been a leader in bone conduction technology for years, and with the OpenDots One, they've taken it to the next level. These earbuds don't sit inside your ear canal like traditional earbuds. Instead, they rest on the outer rim of your ears, allowing for a more stable fit that won't fall out or get stuck. But how does this affect sound quality? Therefore, let's take a closer look at what Shokz has to say about it. The OpenDots One features our proprietary bone conduction technology, which transmits sound through the bones of your skull instead of your eardrums. This results in clearer, more nuanced audio that's free from distortion and background noise. You might be wondering if this means you'll have to compromise on bass or treble response. However, according to reviews, users are consistently blown away by the OpenDots One's rich soundstage and impressive bass response. Now, let's talk about comfort because, let's face it, earbuds can get pretty uncomfortable after a while. But with the Shokz OpenDots One, you'll be enjoying your favorite tunes for hours on end without feeling like you're stuck in some sort of auditory torture device. Therefore, it's time to explore what sets these earbuds apart from their competitors. We know that comfort is key when it comes to wireless earbuds. That's why we've designed the OpenDots One with a sleek, ergonomic design that fits perfectly on your ears. But don't just take our word for it, the reviews speak for themselves. Users rave about the Shokz OpenDots One's ability to stay in place during even the most intense workouts or high-energy activities. Let's summarize what we've learned so far. Bone conduction technology provides unparalleled sound quality. Sleek ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit. Impressive bass response and rich soundstage. However, I'm still not entirely convinced that these earbuds are worth the hype. Therefore, let me tell you about one thing that really caught my attention. Shokz claims to have a battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge, which is no small feat for wireless earbuds. But there's more, because we all know how frustrating it can be when our devices run out of power at the worst possible moment. Therefore, Shokz has implemented a clever feature that lets you easily track your battery life and even find your lost earbuds using their companion app. Now, let's talk about something that really sets the OpenDots One apart from other wireless earbuds on the market. With IP67 water and dust resistance, you can wear these earbuds in even the most extreme conditions, whether that's a sweaty gym session or a refreshing dip in the ocean. But what about connectivity? Therefore, let's take a look at Shokz's proprietary audio technology. The OpenDots One uses our advanced Audio IQ feature to ensure seamless pairing and connection to your device of choice. You might be wondering if this means you'll have to deal with annoying dropouts or delayed audio. However, according to reviews, users are consistently impressed by the Shokz OpenDots One's rock-solid connectivity. Let's summarize what we've learned so far. Bone conduction technology provides unparalleled sound quality. Sleek ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit. Impressive battery life and water dust resistance. However, I still have one burning question on my mind. Is the Shokz OpenDots One worth the investment? Therefore, let me share with you what I've discovered so far, and why these earbuds might just be the perfect addition to your daily routine. The Shokz OpenDots One is an absolute game changer for anyone who's tired of mediocre earbuds that fall short in terms of sound quality or comfort. With its proprietary bone conduction technology, sleek design, and impressive battery life, these earbuds are poised to take the wireless earbud market by storm. Therefore, if you're still on the fence about whether or not to try out the Shokz OpenDots One, let me put it this way. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite podcasts, music, and audiobooks without ever having to worry about discomfort or poor sound quality again. The good news is that you don't have to imagine, because with the Shokz OpenDots One, those worries are a thing of the past. For the best price, click the link in the description.